Hey guys, welcome back to another one. This is Crypto Elite, home to the #1 Theta community. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the Theta Drop ecosystem. I'll talk about the user interface, how to purchase an NFT, and how to fund your account. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe to the channel, and you can find me on Theta TV as well. All right, back over to Theta Drop. So Theta Drop is the premier NFT marketplace on the Theta ecosystem. It is fast, it is cheap, and it is green, powered by the Theta network. So the main reason why we like Theta is that partners, there's some premier partners like Katy Perry, One Championship, and many more to come to the future. So this is the overall landing page, which has a quick overview. If you scroll down a little bit, you can see the current drops that's about to happen. Like this one is going to happen in approximately 1 day and 1 hour. And then you can see the previous drops as well. So the passaways is one that happened relatively recently at the time of this recording. And then if we scroll down a little bit more, we can check out the marketplace. And the marketplace is the secondary marketplace. So if you were not able to purchase a passaway or a battle pug, the secondary marketplace of other individuals who purchase these NFTs, but they want to list them to sell them, then you can find these in the open marketplace over here. And then the last little bit is just the featured partners. So that's the overall interface to the Theta Drop ecosystem. And we'll get into the drops right now. So like I was saying, this is the most current drop that's going to happen in approximately 1 day. So if you wanted to sign up for this drop, select view the drop. And this drop in particular has an auction, and then it has a limited edition with a quantity of just under 3,000 battle pugs, the second edition. So for the auction, it gives you the option to deposit funds. So you can deposit either USD or TFUEL, and you can auction as much or as little as you would like. The auctions, from what I've seen in the past, they've lasted for about 1 day to 3 days, and you can see it live as people, they might bid above you or bid under you. So that's one option. And then the limited edition, it gives you the option to sign up and add your name to the wait list. So the wait list is one method for you to randomly get a place in line. If there was about 10,000 people who signed up for this drop, only about 3,000 or 1/3 of those individuals will get selected. So the wait list is one way to automatically put your place in line. And then you have the option to pre-fund this item. And to pre-fund this item, it'll give you the option to either do so in US dollars or TFUEL. TFUEL has a 5% discount, so I will select pre-fund with TFUEL. The benefit to pre-funding is in 1 day and 1 hour, if I'm not right next to my computer, Theta Drop will automatically purchase this item for me. And I'll get into the implications of why you want to pre-fund your account here momentarily. But that is the primary drops from the Theta Drop website, directly from the Theta network. And then if you were not able to purchase one of those battle pugs, people will list them for sale, and you can get them in the secondary marketplace. So that is what I want to show you. You can also select over here to see the secondary marketplace. The one I want to choose is Katy Perry. So we can choose the iconic golden lion, which you can see over here, the global history, so how much they've been selling for in the past. And if you check out the sale dates, they are all today approximately 1 hour intervals. So every hour someone is buying one of these golden lions. The lowest price right now is $245, and I'll show you how to buy that. All you have to do is select and purchase. You can either purchase from low to high price or edition low to high if you are a collector. However, these lower number editions are much more pricey, so be prepared for that. But if you were to purchase it, all you have to do is select the NFT that you would like to purchase, buy for $245, and then like I said earlier, you can either choose to purchase from your USD balance or your TFUEL balance, and it's just that easy, guys. So that is how you purchase from the secondary market. And the last thing I want to let everyone know is how to fund your account. So if we select your icon up here after you create an account, you can go to View Balances, and now you can see your USD balance or your TFUEL balance. If you select Deposit TFUEL and then I agree, now you can see your deposit address, and you can take this address and you can send money from any exchange or any wallet to your ThetaDROP web wallet. And you can use this TFUEL to purchase NFTs. There's my link if you want to send tips my way. Thank you very much. And you can also use the USD balance. So for this one, you can deposit funds. And the main thing I want to point out here, if you do get chosen for a primary NFT drop, if you join the waitlist but you did not pre-fund, you have 15 minutes to purchase that NFT if you are selected but not pre-funded. But if you want to add funds to your account, funds right here, US dollar funds, they may take 30 minutes and may not arrive in time for your purchase window. So always have money in your account if you do want to purchase a NFT. And you can either fund your balance with a credit or debit card and then pay with cryptocurrency, which is coming soon. So that's the main things that I wanted to show everyone. There are some awesome drops coming up here in about 1 day at the time of this recording. There's Battle Pugs. Katy Perry, she already dropped one huge drop, but another one is coming soon, and then one championship is also coming to ThetaDROP here momentarily. So like I said, big picture overview of the user interface for the ThetaDROP website, how to join and purchase the primary drops from the Theta network, and how to purchase from the secondary marketplace on ThetaDROP. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.